Look at these beautiful mountains. Go do the morning motivation to all these beautiful mountains. I'm locked and loaded. I can't wait for you to see an unsuspected bystander get popped with the water balloon. Oh, it's getting hot. Let's smoke some weed. I'm arming and I'm ready. So joints are at the ready. Balloons are at the ready. Oh, here comes somebody. Usually cars are hard to get because they got their doors closed. Oh, and windows closed. So I don't want to waste the water balloon. Remember, it's 2 pumps per water balloon. The kids started throwing them like candy, and I was like, nah, y'all gotta go. So he's like, for me, my child. I bought her a gun, and she was being a bitch about it. But this is my birthday present. I'm super excited. It says freedom. It's what I'm all about. We got Thai music going on. I don't know what's going down on the road. I don't know where Lori went.